Their credit score is now a 736, and this is as of yesterday.
Fix your credit with the best in the nation.
Now we got another one right here. Now this client owed Navy Federal nearly $16,000, and you can see the balance date as of March 31st, 2025. So this is a recent account, and this was a delinquent credit card account. So they ran off on Navy Federal, and they were worried that this was going to actually stick on their credit report until 2029. Now, credit accounts will stay on your credit report for up to 7 years from the date in which it was delinquent. So you can see right here, beginning in July of 2022, that's when this account went delinquent. So the 7 years starts from this date. So as it says right here, on record until 2029, March 2029. Now that doesn't have to be the case. That's only if you don't do anything about the account. So if you just let this report on your credit report for the next 4 to 5 years, do absolutely nothing, it's not going to be taken off. And actually the account's not going to be taken off, but the payment history is no longer going to be reported. You can see, they haven't paid this in over 3 years. All right. And they were worried that this was going to stay on their credit report. So now let's see what the overall impact this was on their credit score. All right. So when we go to their alerts, as y'all can see, their credit score is now a 736. And this is as of yesterday. So as y'all can see, April 22nd, 2025, they had a 165 point FICO credit score increase. 165 FICO score, not Vantage score, but a FICO score. Now, as you can see, their credit score has been in the low to mid 500s for quite some time. Once they start working with us, boom, you see that increase, right? So even earlier this month, they were in the 500 credit score range. So this is poor credit. But then with working with us, we were able to get that 165 point credit score increase, get the derogatory account removed off their credit report. Now, as y'all can see, these were some other accounts that were removed from the credit report. You got security service FCU, you have another collection, and we were able to get a Verizon wireless cable bill removed off of their credit report. This was a collection.
Call the number on the screen to live the good life.